Let's walk through the Table Intelligent Guided Test using Axe DevTools Extension. I'll scroll to the table test and click the icon to begin, then click Start. Axe DevTools says, we found one table. It's a simple table with 2 columns and 3 rows showing people's names and ages. What would you like to test? I'll select the radio button for the detected table and click Next. Now it asks, what type of data table is this? I'm presented with options. In this case, it's a simple table with 1 header row, name, and age. So I select the first option and hit Next. Now it walks me through each cell, asking whether the headers are properly identified. First up is a cell labeled name. Axe DevTools marks it as a data cell, indicated by a small d, but this is actually a header. So I click This is not a data cell. Same with the next one. Age is marked as a data cell, but it is also a header. I mark that appropriately as well. Now, we're into the actual data cells. The next one is James, which is correctly marked as a data cell, but no headers were identified for it. That's a problem. So I turn on mouse selection and click on Name to mark it as the corresponding header. Then click Next. Now, we're looking at 33. Again, no headers are identified. I turn mouse selection on and select Age as the appropriate header. Hit Next. Next is Mary. Same process. Turn on the mouse selection, select Name, click Next. Finally, 37. Again, no header is identified, so I'll select Age and then click on Next. Now that we reviewed the full table, Axe DevTools gives me a summary. It flags 2 issues. The table is missing proper semantic headers. I can click Inspect to jump directly into the code and see what's wrong. I'll go back to the Axe DevTools tab and click Finish. That completes the Table IGT.